Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. In this video, we're going to be making an easy DIY fall wreath. Most of the items are coming from Dollar Tree, except for the bags of leaves. I got those from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree sells the fall leaves as well, so if you don't want to get it from Hobby Lobby, you could get it from there. Just that the ones from Dollar Tree doesn't come in the pack, so you have to strip the branches off. All I'm doing here is taking out different branches and placing it on the wreath. So you can space it out as you like and make it as full as you like. So this is all we're doing for this part of the project. We're just applying the leaves. We could use some hot glue also to make sure that it stays in place. But I kind of like just tuck the branches inside those little holes in there. Well, thank you for coming back and watching my channel. So this week is part 2 of my DIY fall series. But be sure to stay tuned and make sure your bell notification is on so you can watch part 3 next week of my fall DIY wall decor. If you missed part 1 of my fall DIY series, please be sure to check out the video on my channel. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click your bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. Thank you. I'm gluing down the bottom part to make a nice design. I'm taking some jute rope from Dollar Tree and wrapping the bottom to make it look nicer. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, give me a thumbs up. I'm using this Dollar Tree ribbon to tie this welcome sign I had gotten from Dollar Tree. And I basically tie a knot on top to secure it. And I'm going to be doing the same thing for the bottom part. I'm applying this cute burlap ribbon right on top. I'm painting my gold circle black, and I'll be painting the welcome sign white to match the decor better. But if you like the gold look, you can leave it as well. Either one looks good. Let me know, guys, if you like the fall and if you like the fall decorations. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for watching. We all done, guys. Let me know what you think. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.